don't want that fish, nigga. We want Froggy. Come on, Froggy. Come on. What the fuck is my pole doing? What is my bait doing?
Let a nigga bite your butt.
What boulders?
Nope. Bring that ass back.
Bitch, is you blind?
And I have to play. That's a bomb!
Nigga Chain, the first fully AI layer 2 blockchain built on Solana by niggas for niggas. LLM Lotta Lil Money's technology. Proof of nigga entry scan system. Broke nigga detection software. Thermodynamic bag chaser 1 Gorillion TPS. Nigga Chain. Yeah, I'm finna bridge.
Full video on my channel, link in the description.